And welcome back to Brianna's Secret Club. Today's secret is we're going on an Easter egg hunt. And it's going to be so awesome. And at the end, we're going to see what surprises we get. My mom said some of them are something that we don't want. We're going to look at it.
Brianna's Secret Club.
Yeah!
Go! All right, Skylar, what did you get?
A gummy bear.
You got gummy bear. What else did you get?
A tomato.
You got tomatoes? Oh my gosh. You don't even like them. And what else did you get?
Candy.
Yeah.
One candy, two candy, three candy.
A lot of candies.
Candy, five candy. And you got money.
And money. All
and
right.
food.
Yeah, I think it's a tamarind, I think. Or a date. All right, Reed, what did you get?
I got a gummy bear, which I fit on my hand now. It looks all yucky.
That does look yucky.
But I'm going to eat it anyway.
Okay. All right, cool.
Ew.
What about all this? What did you get?
I got tomato, jelly beans, some candy, some real money.
Real gold?
Yep.
It's chocolate.
No, it's not. It's marshmallow chocolate. It is. No, and I got marshmallows and M&M's. Wait, where's my M&M? My M&M doesn't want me to get it. Come back here, M&M.
All right, Kate, what did you get?
Marshmallow and candy.
Candy?
Money.
Money? Ooh, look at
And
that.
dinosaur. And a big.
Oh, I got one of those too. Tamarind.
She got poop.
Bitcoin.
Wow. Nam, what did you get?
Marshmallow.
Oh, marshmallow. Okay.
Candy. Money.
Money.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear.
Yeah, looks like a gummy bear. All right, great job. Okay.
Time to eat! Or time to spend some money. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy Easter! Happy! Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. Since you're already here, I'm going to let you join the club. All you have to do is press the subscribe button. But don't tell anyone. It's going to be our little secret.